Hi everyone, it's Terry here from nutsaboutsstamping.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you another Christmas card idea using the So Many Stars bundle and the Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. Hopefully you can see by me showing you all these different video ideas what great value you can get from one bundle and one pack of Designer Series paper. My card base is Mossy Meadow. I've cut it 8.5 by 5.5 and scored it on the 4 1/4 mark. And to that, I'm going to add a layer of Night of Navy paper. I'm using my snail adhesive to attach it. So this week's card also has lots of layers, but not the shine that last week's did. And then here's my Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. Now this side has the shine, but you'll see why in a minute I chose this design. Okay, so I'm layering that. And then I have some more layers. I have a layer of Mossy Meadow, and to that I'm going to add a layer of Very Vanilla. But first I want to do a little bit of stamping and attach this little piece of the Brightly Gleaming Designer Series paper. Again, I'm not going to use the shiny side. I'm going to use the matte side, like so. And then I'm going to stamp from the So Many Stars stamp set the Joy phrase using my Mossy Meadow ink. Now I put my Designer Series paper on first so that I would know where I wanted to stamp the phrase. It's sort of my way of measuring and eyeballing, I guess you could say. And now I'm going to flip this over, use some more snail, and attach it like so. And then I'm going to put it on my card base. You see everything is color coordinated and everything is starting to pull together. This is such a simple layout, and really you could try this same layout idea but not make a Christmas card. You could use it for birthdays, for weddings, thank you, baby, just depending on the Designer Series paper and the phrase that you choose. I have a scrap piece of Very Vanilla paper, and I am going to stamp using Night of Navy the star image from the So Many Stars. It's the larger star image. And now I'm going to take one of the dies and I'm going to die cut it out using my die cutting machine. Okay, I'm going to lay the die on top. Get it nice and centered here. And then I'm going to put the top cutting pad on and run it through my Big Shot. And there we go. We've got a really cute stitched edge around the outside of the star, which just adds another lovely detail. And now I'm going to bring this star in. Now I have a couple of choices. I could bump it up off the card using some Stampin' Dimensionals, but I think in this case, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to lay it flat, a little bit at an angle, and that will complete my card. Now, if you want to see what I'm going to do for the inside of the card, head on over to my blog. While you're on my blog, you can subscribe to my free newsletters. I have a link to my online store in case you want to purchase the products I use to make this card. And I'll also have a complete list of the supplies and the measurements for all of the layers if you want to make this card at home. I'm Terry. I am nuts about stamping. I hope you'll create something beautiful and easy today too. Bye for now.